Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Today I just want to do a really quick Workbench update. I just came in from the mailbox and I have this package from Shapeways 3D Printing. It's a couple of things that I ordered for the 40 Ford build and another little project too. But I'm a little excited about this, so stick around. Let's take a look at what's in here. Don't miss out on any upcoming content. Subscribe to the Hobby Dude 007 channel now, or this spider will dance across your next fresh paint job. Ah! No plastic insects were harmed during the production of this video. Several adults, however, should have been busted upside the head. Twice. Thank you for your support. I shared in another video some of the items I got from Shapeways 3D Printing, and I'm going to be ordering a 3D printer after the first of the year, a good resin one myself, and try to do some of my own stuff. But I have been using Shapeways for a while, and all right, this is just some other stuff that I picked up. But there is a folding chair. Check that out, and that is really smooth. Good stuff. An office chair, which almost looks exactly like the one I'm sitting in right now at the workbench. So guess what that might just go for? And I had to have some cargo to put in the back of the 40 Ford, and because of something I'm going to do back there, I ordered a stool. Look how intricate that is. Shapeways, I've been impressed since the very first time I ordered. I ordered a set of 32nd scale headers and a carburetor set from them a while back, and get this, the headers are even hollow in 32nd scale. Unbelievable. Great stuff. But check the detail out on that. No flash. Of course, it's 3D printed out of resin. I'm pretty sure this is resin. But anyway, now that one will be part of the in the cargo area of the 40 Ford sedan delivery. And this is what I was waiting for. Let me get this box out of the way. And we'll have to get some close-ups of this stuff. This is, I think it was PDR was the company that started this. This is a flathead engine. And, well, I don't know if you can see that, but there is the crab style, what we looked at from Replicas and Miniatures of Maryland, but that is the, wow, crab style distributor that goes up in the front. Actually, it's called a magneto. And there is our block. Look at that. All of the, I hope you can see all this stuff. All up in here where the flywheel will go. And I'll use a clock mechanism, a gear up in there for the flywheel. I think this was 4-piece transmission. And I mean, the crispness of the detail on this thing is unbelievable. They really do a really great job. But that's a 4-piece transmission. Oil pan, and this is all a flathead. And here are the Offenhauser, the ridged Offenhauser heads. And I don't know if you can see it. I've had my glasses on and I can see the words down in there. And of course, because this resin is transparent, it's kind of hard to see, I know. These are great looking heads here too. Can't wait to get the Optivisor on and get a better look yet. And there's the outer pulleys with the mounts that go on the face of the block. Wow, that is really sharp. This is the lower portion of the, around the, yep, the flywheel. Oop, I'll get that in a minute. There's the face plate for where the magneto goes in, and that attaches to the front of the, or the top part of the oil pan. Man, this is cool. There's the intake and the 3 Stromberg carburetors. And we have the Strombergs as well that came from Replicas and Miniatures of Maryland, but there's another set there. Really nice intake too. Something else I did to have some cargo in the back of the sedan delivery, since I chose that one to do. I thought having that back door open is not going to really do any good unless I have some stuff in there. And I've got to do some printing, and these are model car boxes. I've already got them primed. Let me get the camera down here where you can see them a little better. But these are, I took my 1/25th scale ruler, measured a regular model car box, and then went back and did cut them. And I left them a little ragged on the edges for a reason. And of course I'll print and make decals to go over these. And again, this will go back there with a stool. Stuff that you're kind of transferring around in the back of a sedan delivery. And I've also, take a look at this. I took a picture of one of my compressors. I've got like 3 airbrush compressors. I took a picture of this one. And then took some measurements, and then I made it. Now, of course, I don't have the lines or the power cable or the airbrush cable. And I'm using, believe it or not, I'm machining down or on the lathe cutting down an airbrush. Yes, I've gone insane, as my wife says. You're crazy. Well, there you go. But anyway, here's all the goodies. I thought I'd share that with you. I was excited to get the box. I'm like a kid when it comes to this stuff. There's that flathead again. Isn't that cool? But I'm loving this project, and I haven't even stuck the first piece of plastic together yet. I'm still sanding and honing and doing everything else, but this has been fun. But I wanted to share this with you guys, and I'm going to get right back on that Fab Shop Pontiac right after I put everything else back in the box. But I did want to share these things with you real quick. Like I said, I've got something in mind for the folding chair and for the office chair as well. But man, that is so cool. I think these things are awesome. But if you haven't checked out Shapeways, and guys, being a NASCAR guy like I am, if you want to just go to sign in and or create an account, you don't have to buy anything, and then go to search and just put in the word NASCAR. Oh my goodness, you will not believe the stuff that they have. And it's unbelievable quality too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. God bless, guys.